Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert Bitcoin symbol in Word document. Inserting the Bitcoin symbol in Microsoft Word can be done through several quick methods, depending on whether you prefer using keyboard shortcuts or the built-in menus. So in the first method, you need to click on the insert and click on the symbols and click on the more symbols. And in the font, you need to select the normal text, and in the subject, you need to select the currency symbol. And in the character code, you need to type 20BF. Then your cursor will automatically move to the Bitcoin symbol, and then click insert and close it, and here it is. There is another method. You need to type 20BF and press Alt X all together, and here it is. Another way to insert the Bitcoin symbol, you need to hold the Alt key and on the numeric side keypad press 8383 and release the Alt key, and here it is. So with these three methods, you can easily insert Bitcoin symbol in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.